Hi, Simona. Tired of vacation yet? Maybe you should learn something useful outside of the school year. How do you think? This time, we will try to read and pronounce the written English words correctly. You probably know that in English, words are not pronounced the way they are written. Therefore, it will be worth remembering a few rules. Let's not wait too long and get started. The first word that is spelled differently than it's written. Here's a picture for you so you know what it's about. You have 10 seconds to try to pronounce the word correctly. Cake, cake, cake. Also like lake, snake. If there is a letter E at the end of a short word, it is not pronounced, and the letter A is pronounced as A. Let's move on to the next word. After applying the silent E rule that you just learned, you should understand how to pronounce it. Cute, cute, cute. Also, mute, tune. As in the preceding word, the letter E is unpronounced, and the letter U is pronounced as you. The next word is quite easy. You should know what it means and how it is pronounced. But later, we will see what we get when we add the silent letter E. Plan, plan, plan. Also, like van, tan. These words are quite simple to pronounce. Now let's make a trick and add silent letter E to the first word. Now we get different word with a different meaning and pronunciation. At first it was a plan, and now we have a plane. We can even say that I have a plan to get to the plane. Isn't it funny? You have to remember that one letter means a lot in English. Next one is a number. People sometimes do not pronounce it correctly or spell it like other number. We will find out later. Now your turn to pronounce. "15, 15, 15." Now look. People sometimes confuse these two numbers and pronounce them both incorrectly. This one is 15. Another one is 50. As you can hear, 15. Second syllable is stressed, while 50. First syllable is stressed. Just remember it. The same thing is with other numbers from 13 to 19. This one is simple if you know how to pronounce it. There's another silent letter. Try to guess which one. Knife, knife, knife. Also like no, knock. In this situation, as you probably noticed, we have silent letter K. There are more words like these, so you have to remember that if you see letter K before N in the beginning of the word, you just ignore it. As we talked in the beginning, written word may sound different when you pronounce it. Let's try this one. Peace, peace, peace. Also, cheese, niece. Maybe you have noticed the long E sound is the same in all three words, but it is written in different vowel pairs. Wouldn't it be easier for everybody to write all words as we say them? This word, along with others with a similar pronunciation, often causes difficulty in pronunciation for beginners. Not all languages have this sound, so they try to pronounce it in their own way. Now your turn to try. think, think, think. Also, tooth, north. Some of the beginners or non-native speakers try to change that th sound to letter S, and they get a sink instead of think, while others pronounce it like zinc with a letter Z. Well, these are completely different words with a different meaning. That is why it is important to spell it correctly. By the way, there are two types of this sound. This one is voiceless. It means that we don't use voice creating that sound. And this one is voiced. It means that we use voice creating this sound. Here are a few examples. Try to feel difference, thing, this, birthday, mother, fourth, clothes. If you still don't know how to make that sound, just put your tongue between your teeth and push air out. Now we have letter G. There are 4 ways to pronounce it. We will reveal this step by step. Your turn to pronounce. Geography, geography, geography. Also, giraffe, energy. We get that sound when letter G is combined with letters E, I, and Y. But there are also exceptions to this rule when we pronounce it differently. For example, together, tiger, girl, give, doggy, foggy. There are a lot of exceptions, so when you learn a new word, double-check how to pronounce it. It is the most common way to pronounce letter G as it is in this word. Try it. Good, good, good. Other examples. Game, glass, grass, gun, ghost. We pronounce it like that when letter G comes with O, A, L, R, U, H. In that last word, as you can see, letter H is silent. We are still talking about letter G pronunciation. It is not often that it pronounces like that, but worth to know it. Give it a try. Sing, sing, sing. Also, bang, long, lungs. In most cases, if letter N is before G, we pronounce it in that nasal ning sound. This one is a loan word from other language. Try to guess which one. Also try to pronounce it. Massage, massage, massage. It is a borrowed French word. Another examples? Mirage. It's an optical illusion that you think you see a lake, but there's only a sky. Beige. It's a color. As you can hear, the end of the word is more softer. Compare these words. Massage, message, massage, message. You probably know what it means and how to pronounce it. Am I right? Let's go. Night, night, night. Also, tight, sign, align. When you see letter G before letters H and N, in most cases it is silent. This time, we have 2 words. Just pronounce a little bit incorrect and the meaning changes. Sit and seat. Sit and seat. Another examples, bug and bag, bad and bed, mood and mud. As you can see, one misspelled letter, and you're talking about wrong thing. Now, we will check how you've learned to pronounce by taking a short test. Game, game. Silent letter E here. Night, night. There we have two silent letters. Remember the rules? If not, rewind video and repeat. Moose, moose. Long pronunciation here. Moth, moth. Short vowel, and voiceless the at the end. Gentle, gentle. Letter G sounds like G because of that letter E. Fit, fit. Short vowel here. Feet, feet. Now, long vowel here. Gnome, gnome. Silent letter G if there is. N over there. Eighteen, 18. Do you remember? Secondary syllable is stressed. Love, love, love. Love, this is what we need, right? This is it for today's lesson. I hope you've improved your English pronunciation a little bit. Now keep enjoying your holiday, and I will catch you next time.